word that came to my mind was probably...
Wow. 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 It's just like...
How did they do that?
It's super beautiful. It's beautiful.
108 megapixels. This thing is a beast.
Now I don't need to carry multiple lenses.
Space zoom goes up to 100x.
Blow my mind.
Game changer.
You can see a little ant from far away.
Unheard of when it comes to smartphone photography.
There's no limits.
We both like the single take.
It makes my life so much easier.
You just click it, click, and you are just dancing all around and like faster, quicker, and like you are more satisfied.
Being able to get pictures, GIFs, hyperlapses in just the snap of a finger.
I shoot a lot at night, as a matter of fact.
I do evening wear, so that's gonna be so much easier for me.
I think the bright night will allow me to get some really, really cool content.
What I would emphasize is the stabilization.
Being able to get steady shots while I'm on a skateboard.
I can walk and take videos. I tried it and it's perfect.
The 8K will definitely help me with editing.
The resolution
Makes it easier to zoom in, have more details.
is just impressive.
I can just shoot from the phone right away, and I also don't even need to bring my laptop because I can edit everything right away.
It's just a complete package.
It's amazing.
I think it's gonna absolutely revolutionize the way people take photos.